So it's hard to say what happened in 2 weeks in probably a minute, but I'm going to try. It's been a wonderful experience in terms of art, in terms of learning about painting, understanding the difference between coloring and painting. And Oleg's been a fantastic teacher. He's so thorough in his teachings. He's so thorough in his knowledge that it reflects in his teachings. It's very professionally planned. Everything is step by step. And for someone like me who's just started painting new, this is what I could create, which is so amazing. This is the first composition that I made when I came here in the first 2 days, and I have been nervous because I'm not too sure about my sketching skills, and all that he did was practice. We sketched and sketched and sketched. So there's a lot of sketching that happened for me. Also, I have been nervous about my relationship with colors is very new. So understanding the laws of dark and light and cold and warm, it's been really enriching for me in terms of painting. But overall, the 2 weeks have been fantastic. We've had a lot of fun. The group is fantastic. Most of them are artists already, and it was great. It was like a family. We had so much fun. Oleg is funny. He's so funny. He's a great teacher. He has these two crazy sides. One of a teacher who's really strict, whips you when you have to learn, and then when he's easy, he can drive you crazy. So it was good fun. The group is superb. Vesna was fantastic. She was great support right from the beginning till I didn't even know her, and we had good fun. But it's been very enriching, and I'm going back home with a lot of knowledge, a lot of information. I really have to process it, and I think I have enough information to keep me going for at least a year. And he has guided me on how to work on myself again, step by step. Very, very thorough. So it's been a great experience, and I would love to meet Oleg again and the group again, and definitely have a lot more of Vesna in my life. So thank you. It's been a fantastic experience.